Man, I love TikTok. Some idiot, some passerby, some policeman, you know, just slang on some Mexican, pulls him over. I'm like, I don't understand people. Like I said, if you want to sit in your basement of your house, be a prejudiced idiot, have at it, I guess. But the guy, he just called him a dumbass, whatever the hell it was. And there's a guy in there. Well, so if I was like, and people do it while they're in their company vehicles. I don't get it. Sit in your buddy's basement and be a racist pig. That's entirely up to you, I guess. But one thing to sit there and do it in your basement house, sitting on some guy's filming you, and you call a guy a racist thing, and you're a cop. Not gonna work. Ah, dummies. My favorite was an electrician at some gas station. Started verbally abusing some lady. It's like, doesn't take too long, man. But anyways, TikTok's my crack. It's just hilarious. Stuff you see on there. A lot of good kitty videos on there and stuff. It's funny as hell. Anyways, guys, here we are. Walk along Eureka. In search of Sasquatch, A.K.A. Bigfoot, right? Kind of cool down here. Very beautiful area. Got some bees down here. Yeah, it's a cottage business up here in Bigfoot. There's a hotel up here too as well. I saw that on the map one day. We were here last time. Like I said in the last video, you want to do some fun walking is the Scenic Highway in Oregon. Hands down, Monument Falls, what that thing is called. That's really cool. Been there. My sister lived out in Gresham. I visited in '87. Looking forward. Next year in April, we're going to St. Martin again. Love that place. I could retire there tomorrow. Have my own sports called Cowboy Cafe and Sports. Stranger here once. All laundry baskets welcome. A really good burger, sandwich bar. Build a hurricane-proof area that can take a shot, steel and concrete. The Friendly Island. If I was 40 years old and wealthy, that's where I'd move to. Make my money off all the people on cruises and just enjoy and employ the locals, or start my own recycling company and grind up, give the locals the money to bring garbage in and pay them for the recycles. So you make it really clean. So you say, bring it in, I'll weigh it, give you some money. Guaranteed there'd be a clean island tomorrow. There'd be no garbage anywhere. That's why you don't see a lot of bottles on the West Coast, because they have a return. So homeless guys will pick up bottles and they'll bring them in plastic bottles, nickel. Bigfoot, Sasquatch. Beautiful. Yeah, you die at a young age, man. Yeah, they owned a paving company back in Minnesota. I think his uncle did. Whenever I saw him, I felt young because he could barely walk. Went to school together, hung out with like 8 of us. The snowman group, we called us. It was 4 women and 4, kind of like a friends kind of thing. But he married one of the girls that we hung out with. So, but, you know, I'm a smoke cigar, but like I said in the last video, people can call what they want to call the creature. Like it's marijuana, it's pot, not cannabis. You name it all you want. It's a gateway drug. Still haven't got their crap together in Minnesota. Should have gambling if they want people to gamble, let them gamble. Native Americans can have competition. So be it, right? You guys see anything? It's already September 2nd, 2024. Leaves are starting to fall. Hello? And you make poor choices with alcohol and tobacco. It ages you real quick. I was a big alcohol. I drank a lot of alcohol when I was younger, in my 20s. My old man told me, you better make a better choice on your body. Beautiful, huh? You could set up a tent down there if you wanted to. Clear out some brush. Camp down there. But when you're camping, RVing, you gotta make sure your food is stowed away because bears will go where the food is. But see some History Channel ones, I guess, out east. Some town out there, multiple sightings of alleged Bigfoot, I guess, Sasquatch. Maybe that's a fenced off area for Sasquatch, who knows? Kind of walk back into there too, well, I guess, you know. I don't know how far that goes, but I don't feel like it. Oh, cool. Anyways, so probably do one more video, the series here. Heading back to the car and go to the airport. So, like I said, the only way you're gonna find Bigfoot or Sasquatch is you gotta get out of your house. You know, they say touch grass. I say go touch a tree. Anyways, guys, hell yeah.